I noticed that you're one of the council persons who have endorsed Angela Alexander for Canton Municipal Court Judge. Yeah. And of course, though she lives in Plain Township, has for years, most of her work has been in Summit County. Yeah. Would you care to elaborate why, and her opponent, very fine attorney for the city of Canton, Kristen Gardado, has been in Stark County, worked in Stark County as an attorney, been board member out in Plain. So curious, why would you choose to publicly endorse Angela Alexander as compared to Ms. Gardado?
I try to go to as many neighborhood functions as I can. I like being involved in the community and be able to talk to the residents of my ward to understand what their issues are and get their input. What I noticed building up to the race was I saw Angela at these events, and that impressed me. I like seeing her interact with the residents of my ward, and I assume from what I've heard she's done the same in other parts of the city. And I am a Democrat, and it's important to me twofold. One, I want somebody who's going to connect with the voters and connect with the residents of the city to get an understanding of where they're coming from and their thought process. And I also understand that when you do that, you have a better chance of getting elected. And I want to see a Democrat in that seat. So seeing that was very impressive to me. And then when I was able to sit down with her and her husband and hear about her record, what she's done focusing specifically on domestic violence, I found that incredibly impressive. And I was a big fan of Krista Hartnett, and a lot of things with Angela reminded me of Krista. The fact that she's tried some capital cases, a lot of felony cases, and from the experience and the fact that she's out there working hard, I think she's going to be the best bet for the Democrats, and I think she'll be the best bet for a judge in the city.
Have you had any discussion on your endorsement with the other council members that have endorsed? I think Councilman West, Councilman Morris, Councilman President Council, Alan Shulman. Have you discussed their endorsements at all with them? Was that a factor in your endorsing?
President Shulman, obviously Alan is a fantastic legal mind, and when he endorses somebody, that carries a lot of weight with me. And I see eye to eye with Alan on a lot of things, and so his opinion weighs heavily on me. A little bit, but I try to go by just my interaction with that individual, kind of go with my gut.
Do you happen to know, and you may not, and I'll ask her myself, but did Ms. Alexander contact all council persons and ask for their endorsement?
I would imagine she did. Okay. The little bit that I've dealt with her, I don't think she would have let...
just picked out four of you.
No, I think she probably went after everybody.
Okay.